Hey guys, today we're fitting a OCAM 3-piece bash plate for the Revo Hilux. So what I've done is I've taken off the two factory bash plates, and with the back bash plate, the short one here, I've actually moved it back one bolt hole. So you keep this piece here. So those two holes were usually here. I've just moved the back one and kept those free. And then your next step is to grab your bash plates. That's your second piece. You've got your nuts and bolts in the kit as well. If you can bring the camera up here, in the factory arm here, there's no threaded nut welded to the arm. So what I've done is I've dropped a bolt from top. On this side, you have the threaded nut. So you just put your bolt through. This one I've gone from top down, and that's only one that you need to do it this way. And then what we'll do, you just hold it up, guide that over the bolt, and the rest will pretty much line up to where it needs to be. Once you get a couple of bolts in, it'll hold up itself. Now do them all finger tight, because you do have to move them around to line them up. The second piece is the middle sized one. As you can see where that lines up. Two there and those two there. So what I'm going to go and do is undo that again. That'll support itself with the two back bolts. And this is a little bit fiddly, but the trick to it is put the washer over it and push against the washer. Okay, so that's that there. Just keep them loose. And then this is your final piece to go on. And that just slots in. Now, depending on which bull bar you have, in the kit there is also some stainless steel tubes, and there's different heights in there, so you can choose whatever bar you have, and it will actually line up to the factory bar or to the factory bumper that comes with the car. In this case, this bull bar and this bash plate don't meet up. So what I am going to do is make a small bracket to actually join that to finish off the bash plate. And once you've done that, just go ahead and tighten up all your bolts and you're all good to go. So these are all tight, and now we'll go and make our bracket, and that's pretty much the end result. If your bash plate met up, you just put the crush tube. If it doesn't, you make a small bracket just to join these two. In terms of strength, that's more just a little add-on strength. But at the moment, you can see, without that connected, it ain't going nowhere.